So we are trying to understand how to solve given triangle with the help of sine or cosine law. So in this case, we are given a triangle with sides of 6, 7 and 8 units. Now since the sides are given to us, we should use cosine law, right? So this is the case of SSS, sides are given to us, and therefore we are going to use cosine law. Let's find the angles one by one. So let's say let's call this triangle as ABC. So say angle A equals to, so when we are finding angle A, then it is equals to cos inverse of squares of these adjacent side to A will be added. So we have 6 square plus 8 square minus opposite side, which is 7 square, divided by 2 times 6 times 8. That gives us the angle, right? So we can use the calculator and find the answer. So we get second function cos. It's better to use 2 brackets at this stage, one for the numerator and the other when we divide by the denominator. So 2 brackets, 6 square plus 8 square minus 7 square, 1 bracket closed, another bracket open. So before that we have to divide. So we get divide by bracket open 2 times 6 times 8 bracket closed 2 times, and that's equal to 57.91. So we get 57.91, which I am rounding to 57.9 degrees. Okay, so that is how we can find our angle. Well, let me write down the formula first and show you how we got this formula. So in general, we write the formula like a square equals to b square plus c square minus 2 bc cos a. Now you can rearrange this, right? So if you rearrange it, you bring this term to the left side and a square to the right side. So you get 2bc cos a equals to b square plus c square minus a square. Now you can divide by 2bc, so you get cos a equals to b square plus c square minus a square divided by 2 times bc, right? And angle A will be equal to, so let me write angle here, cos inverse of all that, which is b square plus c square minus a square divided by 2bc, correct? So that is how you can actually get this formula. So I thought, let me show you how we got this formula. Now when we are actually finding angle A, we are using the adjacent side. Those are B and C. B side is opposite to B, right? A, we are saying A opposite, this is A, this is B, and this is C, right? So I think that background will help, right? Now I would like you to use this formula and find the other angles. So the other angles will be angle B, which is equals to cos inverse of which sides? So B, 6 and 7. So we'll add squares of 6 and 7 and take away square of 8 divided by 2 times 6 and 7. Okay? And then use the formula, get the angle. So let's do it. So we get second function cos inverse, 2 brackets open, 6 square plus 7 square minus 8 square, 1 bracket closed, divided by bracket open, 2 times 6 times 7, 2 brackets closed, equal to 75.52. So we get 75.5 as a rounded number in degrees, right? Now to find C, well, you can again use the same formula and find it out. That's one option. But better way is angle C should be how much? It should be 180 degrees. Take away angle A plus angle B, right? Since sum of the 3 angles is 180 degrees. So we can write this as 180 degrees. Take away 57.9 degrees plus 75.5 degrees, right? Let's use the calculator and find it out. So 180 minus 57.9, take away 75.5 gives us 46.6. So these are our answers, correct? So that is how you can find all the angles given all the sides. So go through it once again, try to see and understand how to apply cosine law formula, and I hope this tip works. If you are trying to find angle C, then it should be cos inverse of 7 square plus 8 square, take away 6 square, divided by 2 times 7 and 8. So that is how you get the formula. I hope that gives you good practice. Thank you and all the best.